summer in full swing, it's the perfect time to cover pool safety and remind everyone about the importance of staying vigilant, especially when it comes to children playing in and around pools. That's why we've turned to the experts at Intex, a brand dedicated to bringing affordable, high-quality, and safe above-ground pools to backyards everywhere.
Our above-ground pool packaging devotes an entire panel to pool safety, which we call our pool rules. A list of safety standards for above-ground pools include watch the kids, secure the pool, learn to swim, learn life-saving techniques, and avoid the drain. These are based on the National Drowning Prevention Alliance's 5 layers of protection.
The most important tip I can give you is to watch the kids. The NDPA says the child can drown in as little as 30 seconds. So adult supervision is needed, and they need to follow the 3 C's, which is close, constant, and capable. It's very important that everyone that uses your pool knows how to swim and has basic water skills.
They work closely with the National Drowning Prevention Alliance to promote safe swimming practices, highlighting that pool safety starts with supervision and attention to detail. Intex shares the passion the NDPA has for preventing drownings as families, especially children, enjoy pool time. Their messaging and the quality of their products reflect this.
When the pool's not in use, you want to keep people, especially kids, out. Our above-ground pool packaging has more information about the barriers to use around your pool and what alarms to use to let you know when kids get out of the house and in the pool area. It is important to avoid the drain because the suction is very strong and can hold you underwater. All of these are crucial to pool safety, but having eyes on the kids at all times is most important. The right setup is critical to the safe use of your above-ground pool. That means having a level area, away from trees and power lines, with at least 4 feet of clearance from anything a child can use to get into the pool. Follow the instructions closely. Double check your work to make sure posts are locked and secure. Make sure the pool ladder is secure in place. The feet should be planted on solid level ground, and the rungs and feet should be slip resistant with treading. Always remove the ladder when the pool is not in use.
Durability has been a huge part of our success. People know that our pools have a great build. They love the ease of our setups. Most of our pools can be set up in 45 minutes or less. And the best part, no tools needed.
The pools look great. The Ultra XTR's gray liner and exterior really looks good against the blue mosaic interior.
Intex has hundreds of pool floats and toys to maximize everyone's fun in the pool. Tubes, floats, rings, lounges, mats, and more, with a colorful variety of designs.
All of our frame pools that come with pool ladders are easy to remove from the pool when not in use. People using your above-ground pool should know how to swim, but in case they don't, we do have floaties to help them get started, such as our armbands that are designed for 3 to 6 years old to help gain confidence in the water, with your supervision, of course.
Our products are meant to get a child comfortable with water. They do not prevent drowning, and they're not an excuse for you to keep your eyes off your children.
So, if you're looking to make the most out of your backyard pool this summer, remember, pool safety is more than just a rule, it's a priority. With partners like Intex, we can make pools safer and more enjoyable for everyone.
Pools carry a large volume of water, and under the wrong conditions, they can be dangerous to people and property.
All of our frame pools, including our metal frame, prism frame, and XCR frame pools, are reinforced to what we call our super tough standard. All our pools are reinforced with strong steel. Our XCR frame pool that you see here today is reinforced with galvanized steel and powder coated inside and out to prevent rust. The pool's liner is laminated PVC material with 3-ply thickness for enhanced strength and puncture resistance.
We're all about variety and value. We're also about bringing people together.
Toys and floats do so much more than just add fun to the pool experience. They help kids develop healthy habits around the water, and the right accessories can be both fun and safe. Pool safety is about creating a space where families can relax and play without worry. For more information, check out intexcorp.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.